How to make an abandoned cart email flow on Klaviyo. Hi guys, welcome. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to make an abandoned cart email flow using Klaviyo. So let's get started. First, you will sign into your Klaviyo and this is where you will get on your dashboard. To create a flow, you will simply click on this flow option right here. So to create an abandoned cart email flow, you will see that we have some of the flows available such as welcome series, but to look for an abandoned cart one, I'm gonna browse ideas. So right here we have some of the ideas such as goals, and you need to select what goal you're actually going for. For example, prevent lost sale, we have encourage repeating sales, send order updates. When it comes to an abandoned cart email, we go for this one, prevent lost sales, turn browse and abandoned carts into purchases with high converting flow. Or you can also go with this one, send essential non-marketing email with flows to keep customer updated of order status. So I'm gonna select this goal right here. And after that, you can also go ahead and create a flow from the scratch. So you just give your flow a name. For example, I can call it abandoned cart. And then you can add different tags as well. Click on create flow. And here we can simply go ahead and add our flow. And you can just go with a different email or SMS, whatever you want to do. So first of all, we have like a trigger, and in trigger, you can add whatever you want, and you can just select that when there's an abandoned cart, then the customer will get an email, and then there's like 3 days wait, and then they will get another email. Or we can also add a notification that they will be getting a notification that this is an abandoned cart. So you can just, add different elements to your flow right here, and it shows you how the flow will look like. And you can add some delay days as well. You can add information about your email right here and your different email and SMS. So this is how you can create an abandoned cart email flow using Klaviyo really easily. Once you're done, you can also get the analytics for your flow here within Klaviyo, and it will allow you to run a successful business online. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.